Tomorrow is Allah's birthday and I'm sick. Hey!
On my hood, I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't.
Hi guys, it's Shape aka Simply Vibes aka S Money. Rebranded today in the life of a hustling Lagos babe. It's Allah's birthday. We're having a little staycation tomorrow and I want to get my hair done. Also, got a job as an associate. Period. So we're resuming on Monday and it doesn't make sense for me to not do my hair. And funny how I'm trying out a new salon. I saw the salon on my daily 1 and 30 minutes walk and I just hope it's worth it. It looks cool. Also, I think my previous salon gave me dandruff. So we are at the salon. Here's a look. You guys, this is the space for children, you know, because sometimes children don't know to sit down one place, so you just have to let them lie down. They have a whole bed. I'll not be sad, okay? But see, when it comes to like service, I'm not really sure because there are 3 people here. One person is doing nails and they're saying I should wait till he finishes, so now I'm just hanging around. I bought a new bikini yesterday specifically for the birthday, you guys, so I'm going to be like Tyler.
Get up the coast outside from that
Hair is looking gorgeous. I'm about to do my lashes next. Wow. No, I want this thing to last me. Like, yes, I finally made a pick. I'm going with this one. I feel like it's me because it's not too dramatic, not too long, but it's still obvious I did lashes. But honestly, this no lash. This one is making over her.
Come here, we see the body. Green body make I roll, come here.
Died. Like he died. And I can't believe I didn't carry my coat. So yeah, this is the final look. Guys, today is the day we're going for the staycation. Period. Ella is my house. I just finished dressing up. You guys look at my outfit. Very simple. I'm giving Allah her gift, which I didn't get to record when I was packing, but oh well. Say hello.
A few moments later.
We're here. The lights. God, you're so fine. Yeah, pass. This space is really cute. I like the checkered floor. Couldn't be say such a technique. I don't know what this is, but it's so like giving that. Welcome to our birthday staycation. My life people say hi. Because it was your birthday. Oh, happy birthday, now where's my baby? What is this? Wow, the abs. Lovely. You guys look at the mess. We're just girls.
You don't know, babe, when you hold me, you kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing.
They said no cameras allowed, so we couldn't take our pictures. Allah is feeling down. I don't know what to do to make her better. To make her feel better. But I feel like once you start actually swimming, things are going to feel really great. But yeah, we couldn't take pictures with our Canon camera, but we tried to take that inside. So look at her. That is a wrap. We're going up. No cameras allowed, so we're going up. We've had such a dope time swimming, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Ow. That's beautiful. Wow. So wait, now everybody's going to see us walking on in bikini. It's supposed to be time for the movie night. I don't know what I say, but I just took a shower. I just said you should blast my ears. I shan't go. My God. Play the video now. It's day 2. And this is how it's looking. Imagine it's just 7 o'clock. I thought it would be at least 10. Did you set an alarm?
No, I just normally look
Guys, I swear I should not racist.
such clips that came on TikTok. I don't know.
Isn't that old?
How do you engage with like streamer content like that? It's a pop if you play too much.
Guys, my leg is still paining me.
I think you should actually get someone to massage that. At very best, if you don't want to look at it. You don't want to go to the hospital and get it.
And you can just text them to put the prescription in the frames and you're coming to pick it. Okay, so we just had our bath. What's the time? I'm almost done. Allah is not, by the way. We have 2 hours left before checkout.
Two hours later.
It's giving body already. We've already packed. It's 12. We're waiting for them to knock. Are you not checking out? I'll say, oh, we're already done. Thank you. But yeah, that's 21, I guess. Oh no. See all the food you guys are wasting? Which is it's time to go. Let's go. All has left me. So we are prepared. So today is our wine and sip day. I'm on my way. I'm late. It's supposed to start by 3 o'clock, but it's to 4 right now. Allah is still on her way. Can you imagine?
This one I better do with the job. I know get time,
She's a woman of CEOism. We have the CEO of Bougie Bar, certified bartender and celebrity. We are here to create drinks. If you like cocktails, if you like to drink, let's start by wearing our apron. After measuring your ingredients, you put them in your shaker.
So, my second ingredients. Hi, good evening.
We need to cheers together. Bring up your glasses. That's all. Touch it with the salt.
But anyway, Eve is leaving. Say bye, guys. Bye.
That's my bro, my family. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Because I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shine, I'll be head of state. For my people.